Ballet Kelowna is celebrating its 20th anniversary this season, and I'm very proud that we've been able to appoint Cameron Fraser-Monroe as artist in residence. The program that we're working toward for November 4th and 5th is called Aspirations, and it's our first presentation of the 22-23 season. And this program includes 3 pieces, one of them being taqəš by Cameron Fraser-Monroe.
So taqəš is my first work for Ballet Kelowna. I created it in 2021. It follows the story Raven Returns the Water, and that's a traditional Coast Salish story. And I tell it through the language of dance, of course, being a choreographer, and it uses my style of traditional First Nations dance, my ballet training, as well as my contemporary background to come together into a really unique style to Ballet Kelowna. I have been choreographing professionally, I'd say, since 2019, parallel to my dance career. But this is a really big opportunity for me to work with the whole company of artists here at Ballet Kelowna and to dedicate this much time to the creation of the work. So the artists that I work with definitely shape the work that I'm doing, and so being able to feature both men and women. I know that we have a bit of a stereotype of the man standing behind the woman and the woman doing everything, but in this contemporary work it's really nice to have both those masculine and feminine energies contributing to the creation.
So I think people will be really surprised when they come to see a Ballet Kelowna performance. I think when people think ballet, they think tutus and tiaras, but the work that we do is contemporary. It's been created within the past year, the past couple of years, and the choreographers that come and work with us, they are talking about and exploring themes and issues of present day. So that really translates into the choreography that you see on stage. So if you come to a Ballet Kelowna show, no, you're not going to see a tutu and you're not going to see a tiara, but you're going to be, I think, really absorbed and engaged by the work that we're doing. So 3 works on the program, all very different music, ranging from a very contemporary piece to something that's more neoclassical, pretty acrobatic, to a very classically based piece by Robert Stephen.
So we'll be at the Kelowna Community Theatre on November 4th and 5th, so that's Friday and Saturday of next week coming up, so yeah, get your tickets.